Given the right triangle ADC with right angles ADC and DBC, what is the length of the line BD? So, pinapahanap sa atin yung altitude na BD. Now, since ito is a right triangle, may theorem ito that says na yung altitude natin, yung BD squared, is just equal to the product ng parts ng ating hypotenuse, which is 9 and 16. So, BD now squared is equal to 9 times 16, that is just 144. So, extract the square root, yung BD natin is just 12, which is, again, letter B sa choices natin. 130. Meron kang, what is the length of the circle's radius? Ito yung ating radius. No? Ang ating diameter, alam natin na ang radius is equal to diameter over 2. So, if we are able to find yung length ng diameter, divide lang natin by 2, meron ka ng radius. Look at this triangle, 7, 24. Din sa Pythagorean triple, di ba? 7, 24, this is 25. So, since this is 25, divide mo by 2, meron kang 12.5. Follow for more.